Alrighty guys, so remember, I finally got the approval for the Pacifica, right? So I'm over here doing it. Finally made my way. Remember I told y'all I'm not doing a video on this, okay? It's not a tutorial video by no means, okay? In fact, I've even directed to you to go to a video to find out how to do it. So what I'm gonna do now, I just want to talk, guys. Look at this. Look at the crystallization, or look at the fibers on this belt, right? This belt was headed out any minute, guys. This is how a belt would look when it's on its way out. Okay, look at, you can see the belt material. Y'all see, let me take y'all. So I'm back, guys. All I want to do is you to get a sense of how the belts is a wearable item, guys. By all accounts, a belt is a wearable item. But I want you to see, look at these little fibers that the belt leave off when it's on its way out. These are true signs right here, guys. I want to say a good let me get y'all, hold on, maybe a good 1,000 miles, maybe this belt would have snapped. It likely would have spun on the crankshaft, because look, these teeth are so freaking brittle. I can pull them off, and all this little stuff right here, all this is belt rubber shavings from the belt. So quite frankly, I don't think the customer never would have got the water pump done had it not leaked. So basically this leaking saved the customer their engine. All right, and this job is under warranty. This is a lifetime warranty. I don't know, guys, something about them '07 Pacificas. There's still a few still out there that still have the lifetime powertrain warranty on it, and the powertrain warranty covers the water pump. This is one lucky customer. Watch this video right here where I did a transmission on the Pacifica. Guys, transmission on the Pacifica, the older model Pacifica, is no joke. Okay, the whole cradle had to come out. That job was freaking warranty. All right. Yes, there's still some cars out there that's still attached to that lifetime warranty Chrysler was trying to get people out of. Some cases Chrysler will go to the extreme to try to buy you out. Some people like, no, I want my car. Like, if the estimate exceeds the value of the car, I'm sure they can get out then. But it's just a water pump and timing belt, and I have to fix it because it's under their powertrain warranty. That transmission, Chrysler wanted to buy them out. They didn't want it. They want their car. Look at the silver. Y'all see that? Y'all see the little silver particles on this belt? Yes, this belt, the little silver shavings, this belt on its way out. Now, what I really want to show y'all, and this is no big deal, guys. I'm just creating content and talking, okay? I really should be hurry up getting this done, but you remember when I pressure tested the system, all the coolant came out of the front. Well, I want to see firsthand where the coolant coming from now that I got the cover off. Because, guys, quite frankly, I could be wrong. You remember, there's some O-rings in behind this cover also. But so while I got the cover, I want to make sure that water pump is leaking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some coolant in this reservoir, and we're gonna pressurize it. I'm gonna pump it up again. We're gonna firsthand see what this leak was, guys. Hold tight. Now, I'm not gonna use coolant. I'm gonna use water. Hold tight and grab some water. Whoa! There it is, guys. All right, y'all should be proud of me. I decided to make a mess so y'all can get a better view of something. Now I got to clean it up. But take another look. I can't see, but I hope y'all can see firsthand on where a water pump will leak. All right, guys. It's just experimentation. Let me get this stuff replaced. Oh no, look at my floor. Thanks a lot, y'all. Oh man, the things I do for my subscribers so they can get some real good footage. Oh, I am one nice guy. Oh, I can't work like this, guys. I know y'all seen my stall worse, but I have to go get a mop. It doesn't blend it in with the other coolant. Alright, guys. It's getting worse. Okay. I am going to find a mop bucket. Clean up. Uh-oh. Forgot to get the... Oh, how about I didn't bend that? It's not bent. Guess I should have grabbed it from the top, man. Oh, so much for that. I just want to raise it up, so I gotta let it up anyway. I'm gonna do the water pump from the top. Yeah, it seemed to be a lot easier, but oh, now I can get a better view, guys. Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. It's coming right up under here. Okay. So not the base, but ooh, oh, y'all want to see how it look with the belt off? Y'all want some more? Y'all want me to make another mess so y'all can get a better a better view? All right, guys, let's do this. I can cut this belt off, or I can just take the tension off. I want to see where exactly it's coming from with this belt off here. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm replacing this belt anyway, right? So knowing that, let's get this mug off of here. All right, got this freaking belt cut off. What I want to see is behind what it looked like. Okay. Yeah, it's just coming from behind that, guys. I went through all of that. That's not even noisy. Yep. It's coming from right behind now, so just so y'all can get a closer look. All this getting replaced anyway, guys. This is the one that will bite you in the butt if you don't replace it. Alright, so I got work to do, man. I can't sit on here and play with y'all, my subscribers, all day. I got stuff to do. This is a real job. I got a boss and everything, y'all. Let me get to work. This is one of those play videos, guys. I hope don't nobody take this video serious, because I am merely clowning around with whoever watching, my subscribers or whoever. Alright, I got work to do. Stay tuned. Alright, so guys, as worn as this water pump is, it has the nerve to fight me trying to come out. Oh, you coming out of here. There you go. Get your ass. Yeah. Get out of here. That's it, guys. Alright. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm tired of playing. I got work to do. Bye.